Malabonogoro Arunachal Pradesh ni ngai student dog ar thangi tongi ma rok no aro room ka ha tonglai mani borok borokno inko Chinese momos ni hinjamani yaglo tabo ke buni body message khaina pawa tongnai am herok ni sajangman dogno belai kheno condemn khlaiga bubagra we on Facebook say it is because of our patriotic people of Arunachal Pradesh that not one Chinese soldier can enter our country. So omsukke chini hana hamjagmani hana hamjagmani lukorok tongo bagino phatar ni borok chini barota habime yangi tongo yet they have to be subjected to this racism and ridicule. Obo mane asik keseng ko phatar ni borok habria khai katiri tong mase sung nijini house sung se hanjak siwo phatar ni borok Chinese. As proud northeasterner, this video not only hurts me but humiliates the very essence of where our country is headed. Chini je hakotorogo obahai ingi tongmani rok no obang bakasimi nangya belaike sak no tekto nangjakha. I will see that these women are given due justice. Justice the man nayai. Requesting people to Delhi to kindly contact me with the details I can help. Mane buagra ko help khlainyai o je abahai dukhumane rok norok angno kerengdi ni bomia simani kukupunyo naite a case Hwnjagukha BNS Bartinai Sanghita ni 153 dara mane ko racism kaisa jati no tolakhai nukmani naslemani selengmani amnokari akromon khlaimani amhai bekabake case Hwnjagukha Harsh Singh mungui chala khorokchano buma no bahaino kintu ukil rok alada kok sawo ek side simi video Hwnjagukha hnai phiaba o je case je Harsh Singh nok yang kholia bo social media tei kama domok Hwnjagukha lasi Hwnjagukha hnai amhai bose court case payani pala okay abahai obostao inko chung nokha northeast ni bisingo Meghalaya ni je CM Conrad Changma bobahni press meet khai o party munu belai khe dukhu nangjaka obro naipegre tini pujani mangpliwo bo obo sudu unacceptable mane goshina harmaya abahke lasi Hwnjagukha ni bo goshika যদিও বাক্সা সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া রাগো ফাইনাই যে বিজেপি ni সরকার চলিত মন বাগৈ বিজেপি ni সিএম রকুন সারাগি হানি হিমপানো bo BJP be alliance partner Conrad Changmale saka khranai ji obo kok to ma kotor no
no the recent incident that took place in Malviya Nagar against our northeast citizens from Arunachal Pradesh is truly unfortunate, and it is something that is, I should say, unacceptable in today's world. And the kind of the language that was used, the kind of words that were used, and the body language is something that is really, as I said, was very sad, and I must say very unacceptable. How it was, how the way it was put, and the way the language was used, the way the words were used, is completely unacceptable. And in this point, as a state, as a region, as a country, as we are working towards moving forward together, these kind of statements and this kind of behavior only puts us back, 2 steps. We realize that in a diverse nation like India, we need to respect each other, and so therefore there is no excuse for that. And that happens, and that is something for us also to understand, that within our society also we need to practice the same thing, and as I say, we need to practice what we preach. So therefore we all have to do it. This has to be a universal thing, where people and citizens, whether it's from the rest of the country or from the northeast region or from wherever it is, without showing respect and without giving dignity to others, there is no way that we'll be able to see our country progressing in the way that we all would like to see. So therefore, I appeal to everyone, that this is not something that we should encourage. In fact, people should speak out. I hope that the local leaders there in Delhi as well as the different leaders in terms of the community leaders also will take serious steps to ensure that this does not happen. And I do encourage that we should have more and more awareness programs in these kind of ways, uh, and especially for the people of Northeast, we need to also speak out about this to support each other. By speaking out, I don't mean you to say bad things about others. Please, that's not what I'm saying. Speaking out only means that you support one another. Speaking out means is that you appeal to others not to do this. Speaking out means you create the awareness to people who may not understand these kind of things that should not happen, because some people really don't understand it, and we've seen this.
Gai khabar tade buksong belakhe khas hazak Northeast ni bisingo je CM konatma bo khasamani kok saka sai saya khajini mazra marnai hini bo bohanyo khoranti saka farge khabar tade buksong obong kai belai khe wana masing o party murok sabo sing ya tongha je phatar thai jono satok jakha kintu baksa ba saka baksa ka saya o সাধারণত দুগার মানে ফালনাই রক বিনারো লাখ লাখ রানি পাইতে জানে বড় সুন্দর থঙ্গো এমনকি ইএম কমল কলই সাকবাই থাকবো সাকা এঞ্জেল চাকমা बोथारजाक फोरबो साकबाय थां सुदुसे दिल्ली रकम मानि पाइ थाकाके जबरदस्ती नों नायखे माने मास मा पाइनाय पाइयांखाके न रबिफोर बुनाय आबाहायसि अवस्था अमा केने बड़ कट कट जे दिल्ली थांनाय रक नाम हाय खायजाकबायखा सिनि हासिनि बड़ रकमके कुं बारा उमा बागिसिनि चाइनिस न सलमा बागिसिनि इनके निजिनि हावनो सेफ्टी केरिंके अ हानि बड़ रक बम हाय जागाव थां तंबायखा बलाय वानमा सिंसा आबाहाय रेसिजम आबाहाय खायजागि तंगनि डिटरमिनेशन खायजागि तंगनि